Well, hey, you guys. So I was a dummy yesterday and totally filmed the wrong dome light to answer a question that somebody had about what bulbs to put in. And it was actually the map lights that are at the front of the view by the windshield, the ones you can press on and press off. They have like a little button built in, or they turn on when you open the doors. These are the bulbs that you want for those map lights. These work great. They're not as bright as the ones that I had in there originally, but these also will not have catastrophic failure like the cheap ones that I used, the Lasfits that I got off of Amazon. These guys, with their lifetime warranty, are much better. These are the ones that I chose to replace mine that had failed in the view in under a year's time. They had failed. So these should last considerably longer, and we've got the warranty. So we're going to move to the video where I was installing them in the map light, and they literally, they install like your license plate ones. They have this little flat spot in the bottom end, and it just pushes into the socket. And if it doesn't ever light when you put it in the socket, pull it back down, rotate it 180 and pop it back in. There's depending upon how the polarity is set up in the socket, you can get these backwards. So you just rotate them and put them back in, and usually that takes care of your issue. So always check these things before you put the lens back together to make sure that they're functioning when you install them. So anyway, on with the video. Well, we're going to have a LED adventure tonight, people. These little Lasfit LEDs have been in here for going on right about a year now. And yeah, if they're not acting like it's disco time, then we're dealing with them not working at all. Okie dokie. So I got some light. We are going to change some bulbs in case you didn't know how to do this in these. I've got these guys, the 921s, the Sylvania ZEVO. It's what I could get in a timely manner. They just kind of clip in the front, so you pull at the front and then you go forward, if I remember rightly. Yep. Okay. So they got these little hooks here that go in here, and then they've got little clips that clip onto these. So hopefully you guys were able to see that. But check out those LEDs that are dying gloriously. Yeah, fun times, fun times. So we're gonna pull this little guy out because obviously he is failing miserably. All right. And a new one. Ha-ha! Okay. Bye-bye, old one. And hello, new one. Okie dokie then. Now to put it in, you just have to look for these little guys here and put these hooks back in there. It's always fun to get the carpeting, whatever, upholstery. There we go. Back in there. Oh. And then look at your front, because there's a box. So when you first put those clips in, you got to watch for that box and make sure it clears. Then you can do that. And then you line up the little clips in the front. You see them sticking up there, and then you hook it back in. I say that. And there's also little clippies on the side too. So you got to kind of line all that up. So I need 2 hands. It's always so much fun. And they're not nearly as bright as my last fits were when they were new. But okay, ta-da, at least now we're not flashing like a disco ball. So yay. There's your quick little video on how to change those out. And the last fit ones, they were great while they lasted. So if you want to change them yearly, I mean, these, like I said, they were great while they lasted. They just, like everything else, these cheap LEDs that come out of China, they don't last very long. But I'm just glad to not have a disco ball anymore. But see, originally, it was more bright like that. See how they're dimmer? But the Sylvanias have a, these ZEVOs have the lifetime guarantee. So I'm just going to keep the packaging and yeah. So anyway, that's all. Quick little video tonight. Y'all take care. Like, subscribe, share, you know, all the algorithm things. All right, guys, take care. Appreciate you stopping in for the watch.